Welcome to Learn It, a series of tutorials just for digital scrapbookers by Studio Wendy at Scrapbook Graphics. Today we're going to be taking a look at the action Film It, which will instantly transform several of your photos into fun film strips. To get started, you need to make sure that you load the brush file that came with the download. You can load it directly through your preset manager, or you can simply copy it to your presets folder. Some users may find that they need to click on the brush tool and select the brush from the drop-down menu in order to avoid getting an error in the action when it runs. So to get started, go ahead and load your action, and let's head on over to Photoshop. So here we are in Photoshop. You can see that I've already loaded the action. It comes up right here in my Actions palette, Film It. There are 4 different actions in this pack. Film It 6 uses 6 photos, Film It 5 uses 5 photos, Film It 4 uses 4 photos, and Film It 3 uses 3 photos. So let's click on Film It 3, and we're going to click on our brush tool, select the drop-down menu here, and click on WZ_film holes. That way we know for sure that Photoshop can find that brush. We're going to go ahead and press play. In Photoshop Elements, you'll click Apply, and you'll want to make sure that you have a new document open before you get started. You'll get a message here that reminds you to make sure that you've loaded the brush first, and that this action will use 3 photos. Press Continue, and you'll get another message here telling you that the action is going to use the foreground color for the film strip. You can see right here my foreground color is white, so I'm going to go ahead and press stop and fix that. I'm going to go ahead and swap it over there to purple, and I'm going to go ahead and select the action and press play again. We'll just start over here with our messages and press continue. The first thing the action is going to do is make the film strip with some holes, and then it's going to prompt us to choose a photo. We're going to work left to right. So press continue, and when you're prompted, select a photo. The photo will be copied and pasted right onto your document, and to resize it, you simply shift click, or in Photoshop Elements 8 and above, you don't have to hold the shift key. Just click and drag to resize the photo, and to move it, just click anywhere within those boundaries to position it right where you want it. When you're happy with that, you can press Enter or Command-Control Return to apply those changes and get ready to open the second photo. I'm going to choose a second photo right here and size and place that one. And press Enter. And one more final photo. If for some reason you can't see the entire image on the screen, it's being hidden by a window, or the handles go off the screen completely, you can always press Command-Option- to reduce that image within your window so you can see your transform handles. And then you're able to easily grab it, click it, and drag and move to get your image placed right where you want it. And once again, when that last one is right where you want it, just press Enter. The action will then come up and prompt you to adjust the bevel. If you don't want any, you can just uncheck it. You can have a small amount of bevel. In this case, I also like to add a small satin overlay here, just to give it a little bit of depth and texture. Press OK, and the action is complete. This film strip is now ready to be copied and pasted directly onto your layout. That's about all there is to it. And thanks for watching this episode of Learn It.